For me, motorcycle racing is a great passion. It's a long journey, but I'm very proud of my career because I enjoy a lot. This is the key, this is the secret for me, it's just the passion for motorcycle. It's something inside of me that will be more or less always the same. This is the secret. South Africa 2004, the first victory with the Yamaha, was a special moment. Nobody expects, seriously. So it was a great challenge, a very brave choice, and this is the highlight of my career until now.
Rossi goes through. The 25-year-old Italian is going to write another chapter into the Motogp history books. Valentino Rossi wins the Africa's Grand Prix from Yamaha. Can you believe it?
It's Rossi on the Yamaha. He is the world champion. He is the winner of the Australian Grand Prix.
Yamaha and Valentino Rossi have retained the 2005 Motogp World Championship. A truly remarkable performance. Valentino Rossi is back in business. Valentino Rossi wins the Dutch TT here in Assen.
Great win for Rossi. He was in 11th position on the grid.
And Rossi comes straight back at the corkscrew. What amazing stuff here, Valentino Rossi. We salute the 2008 Motogp World Champion Valentino Rossi. And Rossi's invented something in the final corner, but Lorenzo gets close to the back, and Rossi is beating him. Valentino Rossi wins his 100th Grand Prix victory at Assen. Huge wheelie as Valentino Rossi becomes the World Champion 2009, his 7th Motogp crown and his 9th world title overall. Goodbye, darling. 46 Grand Prix victories and 4 World Championships.
My choice is the best bike, the more competitive bike for the next seasons.
The doctor is back. Valentino Rossi wins here in Assen. He's back in business. This time and he squeezes through. Valentino Rossi wins here in Qatar. His 2nd Grand Prix victory of the season for the master, the doctor, Valentino Rossi.
thank you to my bike, thank you to Yamaha, to all the people that work with me in all these seasons. It was a great experience and great result, but especially we enjoy a lot.